So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the aspect ratio here in Alight Motion. So as you can tell, my video is set to like a very basic 16:9. If you want to change this, go to the top right, select on the gear icon. Then where it says 16:9 in green, that's what it currently is. But if you wanted to change this to like 9:16, 4:5, 1:1, 4:3, or you can even customize it as well, you can play around and do what you got to do. But for example, if I wanted to make this 9:16, I can then select that. Then I can then go to the top and select the clip right here. Press the three dots. I can go fit composition area, or sorry, I can go fill composition area, and then you can make your video this way in the new aspect ratio. So once again, go to the top right, select the gear icon, select what you got to select, and just kind of go from there. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit the aspect ratio here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.